As somebody who eats frozen strawberries directly out of the bag frequently, I feel like it's my job to induct you into the strawberry cult. So here's why you should grow your own strawberries. First off, I mean, second, they're perennials, which means they'll come back every single year. You don't even have to worry about planting more, you'll just get them. They're just back. Even if it snows, they're like, hey, I'm home. What did I miss? If that wasn't enough to convince you, they get flowers. They get cute little white and yellow daisy looking flowers, kind of like the one in my logo. And that's pretty. Flowers are nice. And they taste even better than the strawberries that you get from the store. And basically free strawberries for years after just the price of one plant. I think it's a wise investment. Totally not biased here. No. Ah, frick. They're fine, they're fine. Strawberries.